Where are you going? How are you gonna say you don't want your phone getting wet and then you're gonna go all the way away so I can't record you? It's raining hard. You can't really tell, but it is though. More shoes. I'm gonna set that. Isn't there like rap here or something? It's like kind of flooding. Kinky! I'm gonna say dry. I don't know about you. I love gum. You wanna go like gum? Let's go with him. Kinky! Go in the puddle. Busted. Good job, Mom, getting a little kid in trouble. Mom, look. Make a good face, Mom. Huh? Oh, never mind. I was trying to get some good pictures for screenshots. You know, like half the iron bar.
Abby, you don't want me to do it no more?
He's opening the gate. Open sesame. So we're just out here, get it wet, you know, no big deal. Level 2 typhoon. Mom, don't you know, people could be dying if you're playing in the typhoon.
Will it look neat when I walk in there?
My stuff is clean. My stuff is clean.
Your stuff is clean? Meaning Abby's stuff is still fine.
My stuff is clean.
Alright. Okay, so go back in your room.